Welcome to our video on the 5 essential features of FlutterFlow, the powerful app development platform. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, these features will surely transform your app building experience. So, let's dive in. First up, we have the drag and drop editor. With FlutterFlow, you can easily design your app by simply dragging and dropping elements onto the screen. No coding required. It's a game changer for those who want to quickly prototype their ideas. Next, we have the data binding feature. This allows you to connect your app's user interface directly to your data source. So whenever your data changes, your UI updates automatically. Say goodbye to manual updates and hello to real-time changes. Now, let's talk about the actions feature. FlutterFlow lets you define custom actions that can be triggered by a variety of events. Whether it's a button click or a swipe, you can create sophisticated interactions and behaviors for your app effortlessly. Moving on, we have the live preview feature. This is a real-time preview of your app as you build it. You can see your changes instantly, making it easier than ever to fine-tune your design and ensure everything looks perfect. Last but not least, we have the collaboration feature. FlutterFlow allows you to work on your app with your team in real time. You can collaborate, leave comments, and iterate together, making the development process smooth and efficient. And that's it. Those were the 5 essential features of FlutterFlow. From the drag and drop editor to collaboration, this platform empowers you to create stunning apps in no time. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you in the next video.